Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood. We're here in my home garage today. We're giving you a quick little tech tip for the Pro Mini Angle Belt Sander. I love using this belt sander for jobs like this where I am actually building a door skin for my Model A Roadster and we need to cut the square opening for the door hinges. So this is a opening that needs to really have square edges, and as we fit the door skin and get it to slide in, we need to creep up on this this opening here, and I need to take a little bit at a time. So by using this belt sander, I can put it in the upright position because the head does articulate. I put it in the upright position for this panel here, and I can get just like this and take off a little bit at a time. So I have an 1/8 inch line drawn here, and I can work and cut this shape in a little at a time, and then I can turn the belt sander again and get nice crisp 90-degree edges, and we can work our way in, where if I was using aviation snips, it's going to actually distort the panel and we're going to have issues with finishing out the panel at the end. Whereas this, we can take a little at a time, fit it to the car, go back and forth, and it'll be just perfect. So I'm going to show you guys how nice that works on this opening here. Alright, so after a couple passes with the mini angle belt sander, I was able to get the door hinge openings cut out and sanded perfectly, so everything fits really nice and tight against the hinges, and we were ready to move on to the next stage of the project. Without having this belt sander, it would have been very difficult to get that job done, and I probably would have done it another method that would have created damage and would have taken a lot of time in repair to get the door opening cut open like that. So I'm really happy that I have this, and this is one of the jobs where it just comes in so handy, and it is definitely a lifesaver. If you want to learn more about the Pro Mini Angle Belt Sander, you can click the link down below, or you can visit eastwood.com to get all the tools you need to do the job right. Thanks guys, catch you later.